Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the OEM halogen bulb with LED in 2002 Acura RSX. First I'll show you how the OEM looks like. It definitely needs to be replaced. We'll be using the LED from Auxito. It should be significantly brighter. To remove the cover we'll have to use something like this, plastic trim removal tool. We have to pry the cover between this plastic piece and the cover itself. So we'll have to insert it like this and pry it open. And this is what we have. We have 4 clips on the cover, and here we have our OEM bulb. To remove the bulb, you simply have to, you can actually use your hands and just pull it out like this. And this is a bulb. You can see this piece came off, but I will take it out. It's not a problem since we are replacing the bulb anyway. This is a bulb. You can see there are 4 LED elements. The size is D3175. The color of this LED is 6000 Kelvin white, and the bulb should last up to 30,000 hours. Simply insert the new LED instead of the old one, and let's see if it works. Looks great. I can already say that it is significantly brighter. Reinstall the cover like this, and it's done. Now when I open the vehicle, you can see that the whole cabin lights up. Show you guys how much more light we have now. This is a new LED, and as I said, I can even see what's going on in the rear of the vehicle now. Looks great. If you guys like this product, I will leave the link in the description. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.